that. And I think they're gonna go perfect in my bunny. Oh, look how cute this is. Hi everyone, my name is Yura. I specialize in making any container into planter pots. These are really cute. These ones here are plastic. So what I'm gonna do today is I had put holes in these so that they can drain, and I used a drill press and the, what was it called? It wasn't the diamond bit, it was, I think it was called brad bit. It's for plastic. I'm kind of particular about how the hole looks. So they made holes in these, except for they're imperfect. And because I do plan on selling them on my Etsy, it just kind of bothers me that they're not exactly perfect. I don't know if you can see, maybe more on this side. This one is okay, but like for instance, this one, where you can see where it kind of, the drill is so hot that it melts it a little bit, and so it's kind of raised. Actually, it's not flush or smooth, and so I want to smooth that out. I want the holes to be perfect because I am planning on selling them, but not only that, I am very particular, and even for myself, I would want to have nice looking holes, even though they're going to be covered by dirt. I know, kind of crazy, but so this one here, I had drilled a hole in there and it wasn't big enough, so I decided to put it back under the drill press, and I switched out the drill bit for a big old hole. Well, it scared the shit out of me. It like gripped onto this and it started spinning off. And as you can see, it like messed up the hole and it caused a crack in it, and it's still very beautiful planter. So I'm going to keep it, but it, like I said, the hole is imperfect and I just want to make it look a little bit prettier. I went to Home Depot and I had an idea, you know, kind of reminds me of being at the nail salon, that maybe I can use something like this to sand it down so that it would be nice and smooth and flush. This here was $29. I think this was $70. So I think this is a little bit much for what I need it for, but I don't know, I figure I can use it for other things. You can't use this alone, you need to use it with Dremel, and that's why I bought this. Okay, so that's cute. I like that. I wanted a handheld one. It's a cute little box. Okay, and it comes with all these extensions. Okay. So you see, I could have just used this by itself, but I don't know, it's just kind of bulky. So that's nice. Well, I'm looking for something like this to smooth out the edges. Something goes here that attaches to here. I gotta read the instructions. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I read the instructions. So first what I'll have to do is, okay, so now unscrew the nose cap. This is the driver cap here. This is the flex attachment one, okay. Put that on. Attachment to run at high speed on your rotary tool in a vertical position for 2 minutes before use. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, run it for 2 minutes. I'll be right back. It says that this rotary tool needs to be elevated higher than the flexible shaft in this hand tool. The reason why you want this hanging higher, so kind of the way this picture is here, because otherwise this part here can become disengaged. Okay, I think I'm going to try this. This looks pretty good. It's just for, though there's pieces here hanging off that I just want smoothed out. it a good angle so that you can see too. You gotta be careful that this doesn't touch anything, because then it's gonna scrape the pot. I'm gonna turn this down because I don't think I need it at this speed. So I hope you guys were able to see inside. I'm pretty happy with this actually. I don't mind that this is sticking out on the bottom so much because water is gonna be going in this way and out this way. But I'm really excited because I was able to smooth that out. There was like a lip here. The way it's drilled is the drill bit is going through on this side and coming out this way, and so this end was jagged, and it's so hot that it will melt the plastic a little bit. It'll stick out this way, if that makes sense. Now this is really smooth and it actually looks pretty good. I know that took a really long time. I think with practice and with the correct attachment, I'm gonna have to go look into something that's flat like this. Basically I need something like this. See how that's like sandpaper, but that size, so that I can work the tool down on here. There are stuff like that. I just don't have it in the kit. I'm gonna go buy one. I think this is just gonna make life a lot easier, but I'm happy with this tool. I don't know if you can see it. Look how pretty that is, and this color is so in right now too. So they might look a little grimy. I wait until the very end, until I'm happy with the hole in the pot before I give it a good wash. This is the residue from the water when I drill it to prevent the drill press from overheating. I do add water here and it kind of gets everywhere, and then I just have to wash it off. I hope this helps somebody out there. I know I'm very excited and I'm happy with my tool, and I'm looking forward to finishing up all my pots because I have a lot and I was just kind of holding off on posting them on Etsy because of the hole. All right, y'all have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.